Hello friends, today I am going to teach part 39. There are 52 letters in the Sinhala language, but previously I have presented only a few of these letters. Now I will present 48 letters. This is A, you know. A. This is A, you know. A with alapilla, A. This is A, you know. A with alapilla, A. This is Dirgha alapilla. A with Dirgha, sorry, this is Adaya. This is alapilla. A with Adaya, A. This is A with Dirgha Adaya, A. A, A. Alapilla, Adaya, Dirgha Adaya. This is E. This is E. This is U. U with Gayanukitta, U. This is A. This is A. A with Halkirime Lakuna, A. This is I. A with Kombua, I. This is O. This is O. O with Dirgha Spilla, O. This is Gayanukitta. O with Gayanukitta, Au. This is Ka. We say normal Ka. In Sinhala is Samanya Kayanna. This is Ka. We say special Ka. In Sinhala is Maprana Kayanna. Ka. This is Ga. This is Maprana Gayanu. Ga. Cha, 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 ja, ta, ta. Maprana Tayana. This is normal, this is Maprana. Da, da. This is normal, this is Maprana. Na, na. This is normal, this is also na. Ta, tha. This is normal, this is Maprana. Da, da. This is normal, this is Maprana. Na. Pa, pha. Normal, Maprana. Pa, pha. Ba, bha. Normal, Maprana. Ma, o, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, fa. Again, a, I, u, e, I, o, au, ka, kha, ga, gha, cha, cha, ja, ta, dha. Sorry, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, ga, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Ambabayanu, ba, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, fa. Today your lesson is over. Thank you very much.